Welcome to another episode of your review channel. Today we're looking at some items by Vicseed. They sent me these in the mail to look at, and I want to do a quick review and show you a little bit about these items. They're cell phone mounts with easy clip access to the vents and also to CD player if you have one. There's one solution for everything. I love this company, all high quality stuff. Fantastic. I did the reviews on some of their phone cases. I love their cases, and now these are supports for their phones. So let's get into it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as always, and let's get into this Vicseed. I love these items. Let's go. These new items that they sent me to review, and I want to show you what they are and how they work. So there's three different things that we have here lined up here on the table, and I just want to go over one at a time and discuss each one of them with you and just show you how they work. So each one of these are all car mounts, okay? This is a gravity fed car mount. This is a simple connection car mount, and this is a more of a impact car mount that has more protection on it and things of that nature. So there's three different types of car mounts here. Okay, so let's go over the first one. I like this gravity mount one. These are all simple to use and simple to install. They all have this easy to connect vent clip, which is super easy to install. I just want to show you here. So how you access this, you just twist these here, you put them in the vent, and they open and close quickly and easily. They actually grab the vent really tight and they work perfectly. So I love the way these work. I have no issues with them whatsoever. I really enjoy these types of quality products. But this is a really cool item. So easy to install. So first thing you have to do to install this, you just basically snap in the back and it just pops right in, like you see here. Just loosen that up, pop it right in, and then you just tighten it right up. And that's how you access this onto the mount. Once you tighten this up, it's not going to move anywhere. And then once you put this into the mount itself, it'll lock it down and you'll be good to go. So what's cool about this mount here is that it is a gravity mount. So what is a gravity mount? So a gravity mount is when you put your phone down here, you can see here, it closes it. And I like that. That's a really cool invention. I like that. So you just basically pop your phone in, and when you put your phone down, by gravity, this pulls it down because of the weight, and it locks it into place. That's what a gravity mount is. So you can see when you lift it up, it releases it. When you put it down, it locks it down again. So that is the gravity mount case. I like this a lot. I love the way it fits on the phone. You can put pretty much any phone on here. It'll work. No problem whatsoever. And I just love the way it fits. It's sleek, and it's super convenient. So it pops on, pops off, just like you see here. Super easy. Love it, and it's just a really nice mount. So I like this quite a bit. I really do like this gravity fed mount. Again, you can see it moving back and forth. So no matter what size phone you put on, it's going to automatically attach, automatically sync to it, and basically lock it right down. Has rubber grips on the side, so it grabs the phone. As soon as you put the phone down on it, it grabs it right down, and that's it. It's good to go and lock. So that's the first one. So I like this one a lot. This one I really like a lot. I like them all actually very equally. But this one here is kind of cool. I love that technology, the feedback as it locks right down. So I love that. So each one of these products, just to let you know, comes with a nice card inside, branding of the company. And also there's some information in the back about the product itself. You can download some information and how to use a product. They're really simple. They're really easy. Also, each one of these do come with a nice manual, super easy to understand and super easy language, nice and big. You can read it, you can see it, so it makes a lot of sense. I love this layout, and the packaging is nice. I love the packaging on this one specifically. So again, has this easy clip mount, like I said. And this specific kit also has a really cool bonus. So this comes with the kit. This is a little phone holder, and this basically just put your phone in the side like this here, and it'll hold up your phone just like you see here, horizontal or vertical. Just like that. So super easy to like that. That's an extra bonus that comes in this kit, which is really cool. So I like that a lot. This is a really nice feature. So the next one I want to talk to you about is this other one, again, by Vicseed. And you can see here, they're all awesome. They all come in nice packaging. As you can see here, they all come in really nice, small packaging, really compact. This one comes in a small box here. And this is another nice one. So what this is designed to do is to spring open and then collapse like this here. So you can actually install your phone just like that, which I like about this one, that you can, once you put your phone in here, you close it down, and now it's all set for your phone. So you can pretty much put your phone here every single time, and it's going to fit every time you use it. If you buy a different phone or a different size, you can adjust it larger, smaller. It's just that simple. So you open it up all the way, you slide it down, you tighten it up, and you're good to go. So that's how this one works here. Again, same idea with the back of the easy mount, the vent clip. You just pop it in, Open this up more, pop it in, you tighten it up. Same exact way. Easy close vent, as you can see here. As you twist this thing is just going to close right up on that vent. It's going to lock into place, and it will not come out because it has actually the way it grips the vent. It just like grips it in behind the vent and it locks it right in. So this is not going to go anywhere. Once this is attached to the car vent, this is not going to move anywhere. High quality stuff. Vicseed items, I did a few of their phone case reviews, and I absolutely really like them a lot. So I'm very happy with the quality, and they just, like I said, they sent me these other ones to review, and no problems whatsoever. Everything's been tested. A million times. Check these out. No issues whatsoever. They're made well, and they're in high quality plastic, and they're gonna last a long time. This is a kind of cool one. So they're calling this one more of the like an impact or more of a bumper, more protection, things like that. So this does fold down. This comes down, and this opens up just like that. Like that. I'll open that again, smooth. It opens up nice and smooth. Again, any phone will fit. All right, once you get your phone there, you lock it down, and this is not going to go anywhere. This is locked in, right? You can just crank it down. It's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to fall out at all anywhere. This is a nice phone holder. I like this one quite a bit. Again, has the same features with the clip. The vent clip, same idea. It's got the vent clip. Just open this all the way up, pop it in there, lock it in. Again, I won't show you that again, but this one has cool. This one actually comes also with a CD clip. Now, if you have a CD player in your car, and some cars don't have them anymore today, but some older cars do, depending on your car, you can easily pop this into this here. You put this into your CD, slot. You crank this open, it makes it nice and tight, and now you can actually access your CD player as a holder as well. So either the vent itself or the CD player, whatever you have accessible, it's going to work. So that's great about this specific clip here, this mount. And I'll leave links down below for all these specific mounts. There is an affiliate link. I do get a small commission if you do go ahead and purchase these. It does help support my channel. And I wouldn't review these if they weren't. I wouldn't show you these if they weren't good quality. I mean, I test everything. I look at them, making sure they're decent quality. And I'm very happy with Vicseed quality so far. Like I said, they sent me some phone cases. And I did a review on those as well. And I'll leave a link at the end of this video, a card. You'll see that review for some of their phone cases, which I really like. And then they sent me some of these cases, the mounts for the phones, and that's makes sense, right? With your phone here, I like this one a lot. It's got that extra protection. So it just protects the phone. It's got that little rubber all around it. It grabs the phone. It really does a nice job holding the phone nice and tight. You can see here, and you can also do vertical, horizontal. Any way you want to watch it, it's going to do that. It's not going to obstruct the screen at all. And I love that. So that's what I have for you today. 3 different mounts. I love each one of these equally. They all have different purposes, all right? The gravity-fed one, which is kind of cool, all right? That's cool. I like that. And then you have the standard one here with the standard grip, like I said before, right? And then you have the one with the shock mount. That's what they're calling it. It's like a shock mount. It's got the rubber. It's got extra protection, and that's what that's for. So you get 3 different mounts with 3 different purposes, but also everything is covered here from soups and nuts for your cell phone needs as far as mounting it in your car safely while you're driving. And that's what that's all about. All right, guys, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for all these items here. There's an affiliate link. It does, like I said, it is an affiliate link. I do get a small commission if you do buy these, and it does help support my channel. I do appreciate that. And that's what I have for you today. If you have any questions or any comments, leave down below in the comment section. That really helps me out. It helps out the algorithm. It helps me as well. So if you leave some comments and leave some likes for this video, it helps me push this video out further so more people can see what I'm doing, and hopefully other people will see what I'm doing, and hopefully they'll enjoy these products as well, because you really can't tell what they are online until you actually see them in person, and that's what it's all about. I appreciate it as always. Check out all these other cool videos I have on my channel. All kinds of fun stuff, all kinds of tech reviews, how-to, and everything else in between. That's what I do on this channel. Don't forget that super thanks down below as well. If you're enjoying my content, please help support my channel with a super thanks, or also join my channel as well. There is a affiliate link there as well to join my channel. I appreciate all you very much. Please enjoy almost over 700 videos on my channel, a little bit of everything to teach you a little bit about everything, and that's what it's all about. I'll see you at the next video.